Hello viewers, in today's video we will show you how you can root Huawei Mate 10 Pro which is running EMUI 9.1. Viewers, we cannot root EMUI 10 because Huawei has disabled bootloader unlock command in EMUI 10. So only option left is EMUI 9.1. So first thing you need to do is enable developer options by tapping 7 times on build number and enable OEM unlock in developer options. Then you need to disconnect phone from computer and power off your phone. To connect in fastboot mode, we will hold volume down key and connect phone with PC. Viewers, keep holding volume down until you see fastboot mode. In fastboot mode, we can see it is showing phone locked, which means bootloader is locked. Viewers, you need bootloader unlock code in order to unlock the bootloader. So the bootloader unlock code is not free. You can use any third-party service or you can use our service to get the bootloader code of your phone. Bootloader unlock code is different for every phone, so you cannot use my code or code from another phone. You need a unique code for your phone. Okay, I will copy this bootloader code. Viewers, I will repeat that this code is not available for free. Huawei has stopped giving these codes for free. Earlier it was giving free. Okay, now we will use command fastboot space OEM space unlock and paste the code. When we will press enter, a warning will appear on phone screen. You need to use volume up to select yes and then press power button to confirm your decision. Once you press power button, your phone will reboot and start factory reset process. So make sure you back up all important data on your phone. Viewers, after factory reset, your phone may take a little bit longer to start. It happens for the first time, so just have a little bit patience. It will take maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, the phone has just booted up. I have skipped the video of the boot process. Okay, we should go through the initial configurations. Viewers, usually I don't configure anything in startup configuration because I can set up everything later in settings. You can add Google account, you can add Wi-Fi account. So I'm just trying to save the time so that the video could be kept a little bit shorter. Okay, so we are at home screen and now you need to enable files transfer mode so that we can copy some important files on our phone storage. So viewers, you need to copy Magisk APK file. You can also download from the internet. You can search in Google Magisk 23 version. And we need to copy this reroute and SafetyNet fix, and edXposed is optional if you want to install edXposed on your phone. It is not required at all for the root purpose. Okay, so these 3 files are copied in download folder of my phone storage, and next step will be to install Magisk on your phone. We will browse to the internal storage and from there you need to install the latest Magisk. Viewers, don't use Magisk 24 version because those modules list will not appear there. So I will recommend you use version 23. There is no functionality difference in 23 and 24. Okay. Okay, once Wi-Fi is connected, make sure you have a working Wi-Fi when you are rooting your phone. Okay, we will disconnect phone and power off phone, and again you need to connect in fastboot mode. Hold volume down and insert the cable. Keep holding the volume down key, and once fastboot mode appears, you can leave the button. And now we will move to computer. You can see the phone is unlocked, which means bootloader is unlocked. Now we will move to computer, and here we will type command fastboot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk, and now we will drag and drop the Magisk patched recovery. If you want to patch yourself, you can also do that. I have added the recovery RAM disk, which is stock recovery image of this phone. Okay, the patched recovery has been flashed. Now you need to disconnect phone and hold volume up and power button simultaneously. Volume up and power button. Okay, only these two buttons you need to hold for at least 20 seconds. Don't leave the buttons, okay, until you see the message where it says your device has been unlocked. Okay, there are two types of messages. One is shorter and one is a little bit longer with 3 options. You need to see, this is the correct version of the message. If this message does not appear, you need to keep holding both buttons. Don't let the phone start, okay, because if you don't start your phone in recovery mode, actually it will not enter recovery mode, but you need to start your phone in recovery mode. Only then root will work, and you need to do this only for the first time. After that it will not be required. Okay, open the Magisk manager and it asks you to make additional setup. You just need to press OK. Okay, don't cancel, you must press OK, and your phone should automatically reboot. Now this step is very important, because if you press cancel, the Magisk installation will remain incomplete, and then you will have to hold the power and volume up key every time when you start the phone. But if you make this additional setup, your phone will automatically start with recovery mode, which is actually now a root mode. Okay, once you root your phone, your recovery will not be accessible, and you will not be able to factory reset your phone, and automatic updates will also not work. Also, it is not recommended to update the phone while it is rooted. Okay, so now we have Magisk 23 is installed, and now we will proceed with the SafetyNet process, where we can pass the SafetyNet. We will disable the check updates option so that it cannot update. Magisk hide enabled and systemless hosts also enabled. Then we will go in modules section, and there you need to search for Magisk hide props. Okay, you can search with the keyword hide. Just type the hide and you will get Magisk hide props config. Just allow and install it. Once this module is installed, don't reboot your phone. Simply tap on back button, and then you need to select reroute. Viewers, if you are going to install edXposed, then you must use the version of reroute which I have provided. Okay, otherwise you can download the latest version from modules list. Okay, if you want to use edXposed, you must use the version which I have provided. Once reroute flashed, go back and again install from storage and flash the SafetyNet fix module, and now you can reboot your phone. Okay, we have almost completed the steps which are required for fixing the SafetyNet after root. Okay, because some applications will detect the root, and they will say that security is compromised of this device. So you need to bypass these security checks. You need to pass the SafetyNet so that applications will think that phone is not rooted and it's not modified. Now let's wait for the reboot. Okay, phone has just booted, so the root process is completed here. If you don't need edXposed, you can skip the rest of the video. Okay, you don't need to watch. I will just show you the safety net is passed, and then you can leave. Okay, if you only need the root, but if you need edXposed, keep watching this video. Okay, safety net passed successfully. Now we are heading towards edXposed installation. Go to module section, and from there you need to search edXposed. Okay, install this reru edXposed module. This file is little bigger, so it may take few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once edXposed module installed, okay, my Magisk manager crashed, but I think module has been flashed successfully. Let me check in the list if it is showing. Yes, it is there. Reru edXposed is flashed. Now you simply need to reboot your phone. It is very important. Okay, after flashing any new module in Magisk, you must reboot your phone. Okay, phone has just rebooted. Now we need to install latest edXposed manager. I have already copied in download folder. Okay, you can download from the internet also. If any newer version is released after this video, you can use that version. Okay, right now this one is the latest version. Okay, you can see it is saying the edXposed framework is active, and now we can Viewers, one important thing I would like to tell you that after installing edXposed, your safety net will break. Okay, so you will have to fix the safety net again, and for that there is one module for edXposed that you need to install, and after that, after several restarts, it will fix the safety net. Okay, you must also hide Google services in exposed hide. Same like in same option we have in Magisk. You will get the same option in edXposed. Okay, you can see safety net is failed. So in download section of edXposed, you need to search safety net. Okay, just search the safety net. I don't remember the name of that module, and that's the module, hidden core module. Okay, hidden core module. You need to install this version, and this will fix your safety net problem after installing edXposed. Okay, so we will install this module in exposed, and after installation you need to enable this module. After enabling module, you must reboot your phone, otherwise this module will not work. Okay, we will reboot the phone. Okay, phone has just rebooted. Now we will see if that module is active. Okay, it is active, and now we will check the safety net again, and I think it will fail because it takes some time to pass the safety net after flashing edXposed. Yes, it is still failing. Okay, so we will try to hide Google services under edXposed. Use the exposed hide option for that, and there you need to search Google and hide all Google services in this module. You just need to use that switch button to enable hide for these services. Okay, you need all major Google services need to hide from exposed. Once you have done it, you need to restart your phone again. Okay, and after restart, your edXposed is still working, everything is still active, and we will be able to pass the safety net. Okay, now I will check the safety net, and you can see it is saying success. I will just try to recheck. Okay, everything is working. So okay, the last step is to check the root checker. To check the root access, to verify the root access. I know it is rooted, but it is important to show you that phone is rooted. Okay, you can use any root checker. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos in future.